If you've been a fan of Mazda with models such as the Mazda 3 and the Mazda 6, then you know very well about the holy grail for both of those models, the Mazdaspeed 3 and the Mazdaspeed 6. So what happened to Mazdaspeed? I'm Danny with Sideways at 11, and today I did some digging to find why we haven't had a new Mazdaspeed model in years, and if a new model is on the horizon. The first Mazdaspeed consumer model was released in 2003 with the Mazdaspeed Protege. It was a performance upgrade from the Protege MP3 and offered 30 more horsepower. Then Mazda a year later released the Mazdaspeed Miata to be followed by the Mazdaspeed 3 and the Mazdaspeed 6 a couple of years after that. What seemed at first a temporary venture became what we thought a mainstay for the brand as their in-house performance division. Anyone who loved Mazdas and wanted some extra performance could easily opt in for a Mazdaspeed model. In 2013, the final Mazdaspeed models rolled off the assembly plants in Hofu, Japan. We all thought, well, okay, Mazda just needs a couple of years to develop a newer model, and 5 years later, we still have nothing. So what gives? Unfortunately, Mazda isn't giving us any clear answers. Back in 2016, Robert David, Mazda USA's senior vice president, told CarBuzz that they weren't quite ready to talk about the next Mazdaspeed models, but that he thought it was still an important element to the brand. What he did say is that the automaker is focusing on the quality of their vehicles, moving them into a more premium mainstream segment of the market with cars like the current CX-9. Masahiro Moro, CEO of Mazda North America, was quoted at one point saying that the execution of the Mazdaspeed line was, quote, childish, indicating that if there is at one point another Mazdaspeed, it could be a more upmarket model with premium quality in mind. This could be bad news for young buyers who the Mazdaspeed model has appealed to most. Back in October of 2017 at the Tokyo Motor Show, Mazda unveiled a new hatchback coupe concept model called the Kai. Coupled with Mazda's next generation Skyactiv X engines, it's a model that's absolutely gorgeous. Perhaps we don't need a Mazdaspeed model after all. Just give me one of these and I am good. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Do you own or have owned a Mazdaspeed? Tell me about your experiences with the car in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And while you're at it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.